Do not walk, run, and grab yourself one of these. This is a game changer, guys. A lot of money doing a Brazilian blowout until I realized the damage I was doing to my hair, just the amount of chemicals, not only to my hair, I was breathing that in, and it's just really terrible for our body and our health and our hair. And looking for something that would really make my hair silky, smooth, and straight. And honestly, guys, if you go back a couple videos, I will demonstrate how to use this and what my hair looked like before. Now, I used to use a flat iron. The problem with the flat iron, I always felt that when I would use it, it was pulling on my hair and pulling on my hair. And I really hated that because I have really fragile hair. I love when I wear my hair straight that it's silky smooth. This is what it looks like. I just got it in the mail yesterday. It comes with a glove. It comes with a little brush, and it actually comes with a couple clamps, and it's super easy to use. I would just grab my hair like this, and I like going under, and then I would just drag it down my hair. And at the bottom, I like to flip it under just to give it that little flip. But this, I love this. This has made my hair so silky, smooth, and straight. It is so straight. I really didn't think I would be able to achieve this without doing a Brazilian blowout. Look at that, how straight my hair is. I'm going to link it video here, but you can also go over to my showcase and grab it there.